Grindmaster have been always environmentally conscious people. And we were involved with afforestation, we were involved with a reduce and a recycle since 10-15 years. However, 3 years ago we made a conscious choice to make the sustainability as a part of our core values. Net zero by 2030 is a mission for us, and we have done an in detail working to find out on what it is going to require for us, what does it take to go towards the net zero, and we are taking the steps to do that. The 3 pillars of our strategy for going towards the net zero are: number 1 is afforestation. We want to plant and grow about 1 million trees till 2030. We started on our journey in afforestation in 2014 when we took up a Daulatabad hillside for doing a plantation, and we realized that we need to have the correct methodology and the technique for it to really succeed in the harsh semi-desert kind of conditions that we have here in Marathwada region. Marathwada region is a dry region. We have only 5 to 6% of forest cover as compared to a national average of 21%. So we felt that this afforestation goal is a very serious goal that needs to be taken up on a mass scale. Working with our partners from Carpe and EcoSatwa, we pioneered the dense forest method, which was developed by Dr. Miyawaki from Japan, and we decided to scale up a methodology, and we took it to 100 schools as a part of the Green School Mission 1, which was executed in 2020 and 2021. Following the COVID crisis, we continued with our afforestation efforts and activities. Currently, we have a target of 150,000 trees a year. We are working together with Carpe and EcoSatwa. We are also working with an organization called as a Jan Sahyog, and we are working with the municipal corporation on the Kham project. So we are working with the Jila Parishad on a Green School Mission 2. So I am happy to say that we have planted in this year already 100,000 trees, and we look to going towards the target for this year and also the next year. We feel that everybody in the manufacturing world has to take up a mission sustainability with a very strong and aggressive goal. We should not wait for 2050 and for 2070 and so on. We should take the goal up now and work wholeheartedly towards it, the way that we do for achieving a business growth goal and a business goal.
We have a 5 KLD system in this facility here close to the railway station and 10 KLD facility in another plant in Waluj. Both these facilities have been running fantastically for the last 2 years without giving any maintenance issues or problems. They have cleared all the norms of MPCB. We have gotten the certificates for being an environmentally sensible company. Also, these plants have no maintenance costs. So there is no operating cost, there is no electricity cost, and it looks fairly good.
And the third strategy is to use sustainable sources of an energy. So we have a solar roof. We try to reduce the usage of like wasteful materials, reuse and recycling of materials we are doing. Remanufacturing is a very interesting concept where they take in old machines and make them as good as new. So we have started with like some remanufacturing its project. We are like promoting this as a way of reusing and recycling the materials, reutilizing about 60 to 70% of the material that was used in that old machine. So remanufacturing is very different from a reconditioning activity. Whereas a reconditioning activity only extends the life of a machine by a year or 2 years, remanufacturing enables us to deliver a machine as good as a new machine with all the technological like upgrades and with a lifetime of a new machine, which is 15 to 20 years. We are reducing our environmental footprint very substantially. We hope that more and more manufacturing companies take up the remanufacturing as a sustainability activity and bring in the remanufacturing in the core of their business as a part of their business model, so that we can all meet our sustainability goals and make manufacturing a sustainable activity.